Armenia. The Republic of Armenia, located in the western part of Asia, bordered by Georgia in the north, Azerbaijan in the east, Turkey in the southwest, and Iran in the south. Sunni region. It's the southeast part of Armenia. It has been one of the largest administrative and economic regions, occupations in important strategic and geographic position. Sunni also has a significant reserves of basalt, marble, copper, molybdenum, as well as hydropower resources. Kapan is the regional center of Sunni, where Kapan branch of National Polytechnic University of Armenia is located. It's our Kapan branch. Kapan branch has 2 faculties, which include 6 departments. The teaching staff of branch is represented by 2 professors, 10 PhD, associated professors, 4 assistants, 21 lecturers. The branch has approximately 400 students. Kapan branch, for full-time, we have 6 courses, specialties for bachelor degree. Mining and extraction of mineral resources processing, information technologies, information systems, economics, and metallurgy. And in part-time, we have 1 more course in 6th row, construction engineering. This is the structure of our branch. One of important part is educational quality assurance and experimental relations department. I want to say a few words about Zangezur Copper Molybdenum Combi, which is next to our university. It has approximately 5,000 workers, and the company revenue is mainly generated from the sale of copper, construction, and ferromolybdenum. The company produces copper and molybdenum concentrate. It's the biggest, one of the largest on South Caucasus. And it's about me. I'm Artur Costandian. I'm director of Kapan branch from 2016. My contacts: with links about Armenia, government of Armenia, Ministry of Education, Polytechnic, and Kapan branch. That's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tepuk tangan.